Hello some peoples, in this video I will explain how you can use PS filter in Instagram I will explain easiest way, and in last I will show you live proof, so please watch till end. So let's begin. Firstly, open your Instagram application. Now create your story. Simple click on your story tab. Now click on story tab. Now click on add to your story. Now scroll left toward like this and go to last. Now click on this is browse features. Now click on this browse features. Now go to the search and click and search ps5. Now choose your now choose the story which you want. Now I'm simply choose this story. Now click on this. Now simply click on try in on this, and now click on this. Now simply adjust your ps5 virtual box that will come by scrolling your finger. Adjust this box in your table. Now simply just like this. Adjust this by your two finger like this, and now click on capture. Now click to send to attach in your story. If you like my content, please like, subscribe and bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.